Hi friends, welcome back to Madhu Minu's kitchen, your go-to place for delicious and easy to make recipes. Today we are making a mouth-watering crunchy crispy brinjal fry that even kids will love. Brinjal, as known as eggplant, is not only versatile but also packed with nutrition. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 large brinjal, half cup rice flour, 2 spoons of rava, 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste, oil for frying. Let's begin by preparing our brinjals. Slice the brinjals into thin, round slices. Take the washed brinjal, add ginger garlic paste, add turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt to taste. Mix well as all slices need to be coated evenly. In a plate, combine the rice flour and rava. In the meantime, heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Coat each slice in the rice flour on both sides and keep aside. Do the same for all the brinjal slices. Brinjals are rich in fiber, vitamins and antioxidants, making them a healthy addition to our diet. They can help improve digestion, lower cholesterol levels and protect your cells from damage. Plus, this crispy version is a great way to get kids to enjoy eating vegetables. Once the oil is heated, gently place each brinjal slice in the pan. Fry until golden brown and crispy on both the sides. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove the fried brinjal slices and place them on a tissue paper to drain excess oil. Serve hot with your favorite chutney or dip or even ketchup. These crunchy and crispy brinjal fries are perfect as a snack or a side dish. Here you have it, a plate of crunchy and crispy golden brinjal fries that are sure to be a hit with the whole family.